Okay, we have found it. Room 222. Go, Emmett. Open it up and let's see what's inside. Push hard, hard. Oh. An electrical box for the fuses. Okay, let's see it. Oh, it smells brand new in here. It says, welcome, Patrick Amos. All right, let's do a tour. Let's check out the bathroom first. We have a light around the mirror. Hello, we just drove all the way from Chattanooga. Got some body lotion right there, some soap, lots of towels down here. Looks like we have a walk-in shower. We love these. The kids like them. Everything's looking clean. So far, the toilet looking clean. All right, Home2 suites have the large fridges. We like these as a family of 5. Everything is good. We have a coffee maker here. Let's check out the microwave, and the kids are being crazy. Look at them. Oh boy. Oh, is that the view? Everything looks clean in the microwave. Let's check in here. Usually they have some utensils. There you go. They have a nice cutting knife, actually. Some more utensils. There's the toaster and the cutting board. They have a trash can under the sink right here. Dishwasher. Looking good. I wonder what this is for. If the other ones does usually have like some utensils in it. Coffee cup, plate. Let's go over here where you have the desk that pulls out. Looks like there's a safe. Well, hey there, cutie. Oh! And you pull out the chair. And you can pull out your desk. We like this a lot. Oh, they're being crazy. I love it. They're excited. Whoa. Oh my goodness. This is a pull-out couch where they'll be sleeping some kids tonight. They have a lamp in the corner, a mirror. And what we like also about these Home2 suites, actually this one barely pulls out. So usually, at most of them, they pull out at least halfway, but this one barely pulls out. That's interesting. And we have 2 queen beds, but they're really full beds. What are you doing over here?
Okay, they're coming.
Ow!
That's Daddy. That is, it's the boy. No. I'm taking a dump over here by me.
What we like about Home2 suites always is the counter space. Lots of counter space and little store spaces.
Hey, I'm taking a dump over here.
Ew! She's saying naughty stuff.
Pooping.
Girl, would you cut that out?
Pooping.
This is not a toilet. This is a closet. Here's our view out our window of the parking lot. Lovely, lovely. Now, Palmer, you wanted to show us the Bible? She wanted to show you guys the Holy Bible. Who's that under there? I don't know.
Oh, I know who it is. It is.
Oh, good. Thank you for showing us.
It's George Washington.
George Washington.
Ow.
What are you doing under there?
I'm just taking a dump.
We are at the pool. Poolside is my vibe. We got the kids in there. How is the Porter? It's kind of cold. We got some chairs. We got Mama over there. And we have some people outside doing a bonfire. We're at the breakfast room. Good morning. It is packed in here, guys. Are y'all ready for this?
Yeah.
All right, it is drizzling outside, but we have breakfast. Here's a little outdoor area we wish that we could use, but it is sprinkling. That's okay. I have some wedges, a chicken biscuit, and a waffle in there. We have some eggs down here and a sausage biscuit. Emmett, how's everything so far?
Good.
Oh, he likes it. And this is the little breakfast area in here. There's the front desk and lobby. There's a little snack bar in the room where you get your breakfast. Let's eat. Here we have the workout room. We have 2 treadmills, Peloton elliptical, some free weights over here, a bench, a box to jump on, the same ceiling as the pool. They also have a laundry room down here. I like how they have it Connect it. Oh, let's have loads of fun. You can fold and set. Not bad. Also some wipes to wipe off your machinery and towels.
Hi, can you come and spank my dad's butt and put an image butt?
What?
Okay. Hey! Okay, yeah. Don't spank. Okay. Don't.
I would throw it.
Yeah, I know. Can you come and spank my dad? Put an image butt? Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay.